Lisa.
Make sure that dog don't bite.
Ito na si Ate Lisa. Wala, there's so many dogs.
No, make sure they might bite.
Di ko mo gawas, kidagang kagiro. Hi! Di ko mo hardlock ko sa iro. Hello. Gusto ko mo gawas.
Dali, di ba na mo ano?
Hardlock ko. Uy, hi. Hi, papi. Hindi naman ginapapit yun. Sige. Ito na si Ate Liza. Di ko mo gawas, dagang kagiro. Where's the other two? They went back?
No.
Ay. Where's the other two that was coming from there? Nasa Ate Lisa. Ate Lisa. Hi! Wala na iro.
Dali, wala araw, di man mo anong buka.
Hi, Ate!
Di na mo kuan.
Hi! Gamayan! How are you? Hi! Gamayan!
Ano, sakto good si Clara, di ay. Gamay good ka.
Gamay kay ko.
Nasiyo.
Gamay ko kay ko, guys!
Cute talaga
Hi,
ka.
dog! Hi,
Di na mo kuan ito ang kuan.
Wala pa rin si Rusty?
Wala pa niya ba Rusty o.
Okay.
Nasiya.
Junakins na dito
Atong ato
sulod.
sa sulod sa. Nasiya.
Magpa-picture sa kuy. Magpa-picture ko. Take a picture of the the artista.
We just made we just
TikTok.
only talking in
Yeah.
TikTok. And
All the
same-
K1 visa.
The same with Clara.
Oh,
Same
yeah.
with Clara, yeah. K1 visas. Yes.
Yeah. You got to see Lisa and Clara now.
Yes. One more, lots of photos. Okay, thank you.
Gamay kasakto gud si Clara dahil jid gamay gud ka.
Yeah, mo ba?
Yeah.
Gamay pa ko ani ha. Gamay pa ko ani ha kahimtang. Unya, uy nagimo kog kuan ba?
Asan? Oo,
Recycle na ni akong kuan ha kay
Eh ako nagimo ko kay Litchi Plan.
nagimo kog glitch plan unya kay gilabay man niya tong isa ka sudlanan ko yo.
Dugay kan kamo jid dugay sa dai kamo din ha.
Kuan, Friday ra mi tamon ting.
Kamo?
Iyang meeting ugma ra. Unya kanang mulakaw na dayon mi ang kuan Friday pero magsayo miglakaw kay mo adto lagi daw mig Chattanooga makanaw ra mi ka jutgod.
Ari ako nindo oh.
Ang saro man to.
Daddy, my friend.
Hello! Hi! Bye! Ate Lisa! Ate Lisa. There. I didn't vlog it inside, but I met her in-laws.
Yeah.
Her father-in-law asked us to come in. Or invite us to come in. So there she is. Good people, yeah.
Yep.
Finally.
Oh, yeah, because her husband's out driving a truck, right?
Yeah. It's gonna be, he's not gonna be back until 5 tonight. Usually, sometimes around this time,
Yeah.
he's home. But today, and he's always just in Alabama.
So he didn't have
Area, yeah, not very far. That's it. Get to drop the leche flan as well, because since I had extra one.
That's nice.
Good to see Ate Liza. Look at the one spring here. Oh, look at the trees. What do you call that one? Maple. Oh. Let's see. How many times did we hit Tennessee River today? It's already
Once over there,
3:54.
Nick and Jack, and then there.
Holiday Inn Express and Suites. There's the interstate. Holiday Inn. Holiday Inn, guys. Finally, we made it to our hotel, our room for the next 3 days, 2 days, 2 nights. So it's already 4 something. 4 na ba? 4:51 na po. And then, yeah. Alis na naman ito si husband because they're gonna have the dinner
Set
tonight.
your alarm for 5:45, please, so I don't have to listen to this.
5:45, okay. So, yeah. Rest muna ako, guys. Parang napagod ako, ha. Nakakapagod
Is it
mag-travel.
set for 5:45?
Not yet. Nakakapagod mag-travel. Ang layo. Kanina pa kami mga 5, almost 12 hours din. I know kasi forward pala ng 1 hour dito because it's Eastern time zone dito and we live on a Central time zone. So we were like plus 1 hour. So almost 5 hours din. Set ko muna yung alarm ko, guys. Kasi aalis itong isa. They have a meeting. Dinner. 5:45.
Yeah, 5:45.
53 minutes from now. So, ayan. Ay, lang muna ako mag-relax. Update ko kayo. I'm happy to see Ate Liza. Finally, nagkita na rin kami. Hindi kami nagkita sa Pinas, pero dito sa US kami nagkita. See ya.
Hi guys. And we went over the top of there.
He was so scared. I was crazy down there.